Hello, all. It's that time of the week again. Trade of the week. Okay, so I haven't uploaded a video in about 2 weeks, just simply because I haven't been trading that much. There hasn't been enough setups for my liking to take. The market was moving a bit slow, leading to NFP and then the new month. So I wasn't trading as much as I usually do. But US 30 has been, it's been beautiful. Okay, I've been trading this predominantly because US 30, you don't really need the biggest moves to play out or retracements or anything like that. You just literally understand our points of interest and we take the trade. Okay, so one I print screened on the 27th of August, and then it was a very quick move, put a buy limit in place, and then boom, came right into it. Not right into it, but again, really know stuff like this happens. So we sacrificed the extra 4 or 5 points to make sure we get into our trades on the buy limits because of spreads. Okay, so the spreads just about triggered me in. Okay, if it was right on the money, would have missed it. Okay, but just about triggered me in, and then boom, we had like a 200 point move over there. Okay, very nice on the 15-minute time frame, just targeting another point of interest. Okay, then we move to this one. This one is a true beauty. This was the true beauty of everything that played out. Okay, for this week. Okay, so August the 31st, Prince Screen that was targeting that H4 candle. Okay, got our nice entry point and then our target point just over there. And then you can see how that played out very nicely for about 700 to 800 points. Okay, and we just kept on riding this. Okay, just kept on riding this as it went up. Okay, so this was another trade I took within that uprising over there, just targeting this daily point of interest. Okay, so understanding everything that we always look for, point of interest, we had the targets just below. Okay, so we knew those areas were going to get clapped. Okay, so just targeting, we was looking at this on a 5 minute time frame. Okay, so just understanding that 5 minute point of interest. Okay, and then we got that nice move from it. Okay, very nice. I think this was so close to taking me out on the stop loss. I remember looking at it, it's like, oof, that was so close. I was surprised that they actually get taken out because of spread, but it came very close to taking me out. But we was really risking, was it 15 or 20 points? And then you can see what happened, was targeting at daily level. Okay, but you all know what happened when it went to that daily level. Okay, we just dropped for about, how many points did it drop? It dropped about 1,500 points. Okay, and I'm so upset because I didn't get into that. I caught all these moves from here and I was really happy, but this was the big one I wanted. Okay, you can see that daily level was targeting via this. No, that's GJ. We'll come on to that in a second. Well, you can see this. I was targeting this to potentially sell off from, but it just came very short of it, and then it decided to tank. And I was like, no. I was waiting for that level to sell off, but it didn't come to it. It just literally started pulling off from here, and it happened so quickly. Usually, you could scale down to the smaller time frames and get in, but yeah, this one it was not meant to be. It was not meant to be. I could have got in on a smaller time frame. I saw a couple of entries that I could have used, but I wasn't ready for it to start selling off from there. So I wasn't adaptable. I wasn't able to adapt to it quick enough. And then literally in a matter of an hour or so, you saw what it done. Okay, so I mean, US 30 is really nice for the buys. The big sell is what I was planning to catch, but yeah, wasn't able to catch it. But yeah, I believe this is what I had marked out for it. If I'm on the right chart right now, yep. Okay, I believe we could have a. I was thinking, could we have a big market crash? Okay, a second one since March. I was wondering if that can potentially happen. Okay, but I wasn't so sure. But I was thinking, why not? With market structure, with everything we see, the way we trade and everything we look for, I thought, why not? This is why I was looking to sell from that area over there, but we didn't quite reach it. Okay, but if this does sell off, we'll be in for a very good time. That's 11,000 points and then 15,000 points over there. And you already know if you trade US 30. I mean, that could be you done for the whole year and leading into next year. If that did truly happen and you caught yourself from that area, which is why I was quite upset. But I don't know. That's something I suspected, but we'll see how the week opens. And I don't know if that will be the trigger for this to fall all the way down. And if that happens, I mean, the world will be in for a very big shock. Okay, but what we were looking at right here, we had the divergence and everything. It didn't quite reach that daily level that I wanted. Okay, but now we've got engulfing candles. Who knows? Maybe this could be a catalyst to actually trigger this all the way down. maybe not as low as 15,000 points, but who knows? Maybe just to, hey, we got points of interest just below this point. We've got some external range liquidity over there. So I'm very curious to see if we could potentially get down into this area, at least for retracement, okay, which is still a very nice trade, but just target this area here. Okay, we've got some IPA going on over there as well. We've got our point of interest, a little bit more IPA over there. So who knows? Who knows if we could potentially get back into there for at least a retracement, because that's very nice. That's 5,000 into here. Okay, that's very nice. So we'll see. We'll see if we could potentially pull that off. But that's a lot of money. It's a lot of money if we could pull that in. Okay, so I'm very curious to see what happens if we could get into there. Not 5,000, sorry. Okay, if we could get into there. Actually, it was 5,000. Yeah. But yeah, very curious to see what can happen potentially with that trade. But yeah, US 30 trade of the week was this beauty over here. Let's catch that on a 4 hour, done about 900 points. But if you double that plus all the twin trading, that's near enough 2,000 points in US 30 for the week. And then leading into that, we also managed to catch GJ, okay, on the 28th of August. Okay, so this trade here was quite nice. Okay, again, just same points of interest what I was looking for, targeting external liquidity, and then we came right into here. Okay, again, we just get filled, hits our point of interest, and we're good. I think that was about 240 pips. So that was also a very nice trade. So those were the trades of the week. Okay, and I know I haven't uploaded a video in 2 weeks, but I did do a flash sale. I was doing 15% off for the course. And it is a shame I couldn't upload a video in those times. I was busy and not really trading. But if you didn't know about it, yeah, I've done a flash sale 15%. It is done now. But who knows, maybe in the future, I will do something again, and I'll make sure I put on YouTube this time. So you guys also alerted that follow me on YouTube, but feel free to follow my Instagram and follow the page, because I do upload a lot of things on there. So definitely feel free to follow that. And if you're just looking for that, then it's just simply Kaizen Pips. Okay, you can follow the Instagram on there, and you'll see a lot of updates. You'll see me posting things, and it's just a general picture and trading ideas that you could potentially see and learn from. And this picture got a lot of attention. That was a very fun picture. Many people are just, yeah, I mean, a lot of people just love booties apparently. But yeah, the other one, as you guys know, I remember telling you US 30 was going to head up into this area, and we managed to catch. I mean, it was a lot of points. Okay, so yeah, definitely if you want to keep updated with this, then you understand. So here, see, we managed to catch about 3,810 points throughout this whole daily range here. So yeah, feel free to follow the page. You'll get a lot of updates. I'll be posting things, and then yeah, you'll basically be able to keep up to date with me. Okay, so until next time, wish you the best trading week. Wish you a successful trading week and a very profitable one. Until next time, take care.